And welcome back, everyone. Our weather is changing a bit, Scott. Rain's on the way?
It is on the way. We have the cloud cover out there right now. Nothing in the way of rainfall, at least significant rainfall just yet for us, but the rain will begin to move in later on this evening and overnight, and especially throughout the day Friday. So there's the view from our Savannah camera overlooking the Savannah River and downtown. You can definitely see that cloudy gray sky in that view. More of that cloud cover is off to the north, but it is developing further to the west as far as the thicker clouds, along with a frontal boundary that is slowly moving into the region. Do have some rain outside of our area, but locally Viper radar is basically all clear other than a few small sprinkles in extreme northern Toombs County. We do have a little bit of activity north of Vidalia, and then in the low country we've had a couple of sprinkles developing, but nothing too meaningful just yet. But that will change for tonight and through the day tomorrow, when we will have periods of heavy rain setting up across the area. Rain is likely throughout the day. We do have the risk of having some thunderstorms developing as well. Temperature wise, we will be able to warm up pretty decently in the mid to upper 60s for this afternoon high temperatures, and that rain will continue into the evening hours for tomorrow, but dropping off dramatically as far as those rain chances. Once we get through 7 and 8 o'clock, we will start to dry out as some drier air will start to filter back into the region, which will set us up for a pretty nice weekend. But moisture that continues to flow in from the Gulf ahead of the boundary that is moving into the region. High pressure will build in behind it, which will set us up for a pretty nice weekend. But Friday is going to be a rainy day and stormy for us at times. We'll have breezy and gusty wind with some of those thunderstorms that do develop, but rain will start tonight and continue through the day Friday. And between both of those days, tonight and into tomorrow, we could see some spots getting about 1 to 2 inches of rain, which will be very beneficial for the drought conditions that have been developing across the southeast, along with significant rainfall deficits. But for tonight, we'll have pockets of moderate to heavy rain in the northern parts of the area first. Overnight will be mostly dry, but then as we head more towards sunrise, that's when some of that rain will start to move into the area. And again, some of that will be heavy for us at times, where we see the brighter colors on Vipercast, those yellows and reds indicating the more moderate to heavy rain. We will have more waves of moisture going through the afternoon hours, perhaps some more in the way of lighter rain around lunchtime, but then another wave of moisture will move in for Friday evening, and that will start to taper off then overnight, late Friday night and into early Saturday morning. Perhaps just a few lingering showers left over, and that is what we will be dealing with for Saturday. Now, as far as the rainfall forecast, Vipercast is indicating that many of us will receive over an inch to almost an inch and a half of rain, but I think a few spots with some thunderstorm activity setting up, we could see those higher rainfall amounts setting up for us. For tonight, 57 for the low temperature, scattered rain, definitely a cloudy night, and then for tomorrow, rain and thunderstorms throughout the day. Somewhat breezy at times, 5 to 15 miles per hour, starting out at the south, switching to the northeast as some of that drier air moves into the region, but not a bad day temperature-wise. You'll just see the umbrella throughout the day. Just a few lingering showers left over for Saturday. I think they will be concentrated more in the early part of the day, and then a mix of clouds and sunshine for Sunday and beyond. Just a few sprinkles possible for next Tuesday and Wednesday. Highs will be in the upper 60s to lower 70s for the most part, but getting milder at the end of the weekend into next weekend. Some of us may be in the 80s for highs. We'll have another check of the local forecast coming up.